Only one way to beat the summer. Cold, tasty drinks made on your Delish Up. Starting with the office favorite, minty orange. One drink is never enough. On to India's favorite flavor, Jaljeera. Spicy, cooling, and full of flavor. Whipping up a drink, a snack, or a cold dessert is easy. Follow the guided recipe and you get the best meal every single time. There is no better way to beat the summer heat. Homemade drinks and scrolling reels, a match made in heaven.